So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to duplicate a music clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this is pretty simple, so all you have to do is select your clips right here, so highlight them right here. As you can see, all you have to do is actually press Alt, hold it, and then you'll just have to drag it right here. So you can also do your Control C, Control V, or copy and paste right here, and paste it in the very end right here. So there you go, you can also do that, but there's an option that you can use Alt or Option here in your DaVinci. So just hold down Option, so wait a minute, so Option, and there you go. So if you want to do this with multiple clips, you can do so. So there you go, just that simple, and there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.